I I see you, but your voice is clear to me. Are you hear me? Did you hear my voice?
Now I can listen to you.
Okay, yeah.
But that time I didn't listen to you. The video was stopped.
Right, right. Maybe I just changed my internet connection.
So in that way, actually, I kept uploading videos. I learned SEOs. I learned how to create backlinks for the videos and all. Now you see, as a result of this, even if I target any keyword, I've got many softwares related to SEO and all. Many softwares I have got. So first I check, analyze which keyword I should take, and then uh, now I'm confident if I take any keyword, I can rank that on first page within 1 hour, within an hour.
So now you will start your own SEO company.
No, I do SEO. Yes,
You can start. It's not personal. It's for business purpose.
No, I do SEO for some of my clients.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I do SEO. I do SEO for some of my clients, as I told you earlier. That
Right.
yeah, I did SEO for that Jamie Weeman.
Right.
So I do, but actually, I don't do much efforts to get clients for SEO, because actually my main focus is to develop myself. Means I have created my second channel now.
Okay.
My first channel was actually, that was made disabled for Google AdSense. But
Okay.
but now I have started working on that channel, because now I just want to make that channel very popular. My first channel is very popular, but and I get students from that channel.
Okay.
But now I've been in the process of creating my second YouTube channel. Of course, I have students from that channel too, but I want to create that channel for earning. Means that AdSense earning. Yeah.
Have you heard about Genlish? Genlish.com.
Which
Gen GENLISH. Genlish.com.
GEL
LISH.
LISH Jellish.
Yeah.
What is
Jellish.
this? What is it?
This is a website who teach the same spoken English through phone call.
Jellish.
Yeah.
This is this.
No. GEN.
GEN Janish. Janish. Janlish. Okay. So they are teaching English. Is it from India?
I told you, yeah, it's from India. Yeah.
This is
I have studied.
no, is this from India or where?
Sure. Yeah, I think I'm not confirmed. I have just checked this website on internet. I have no contact with that.
Yes, it is from India.
Yeah.
It is from India because they have
There
given
is an address from.
helpline number they have given, and that is Indian mobile number.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. It's also in Hindi. This is also
They have written Hindi.
good concept.
Yeah.
Yeah. If you see the website, there is also in bottom there is also six example there for their classes of their classes.
Yeah, yeah. They have written here like join journalist and speak English. Means
Right,
like,
right.
but
But there is
actually,
one.
it
I think
means, yeah, yes, yes.
there is one drawback which I noticed that, but they are giving classes on their phone. If you take calls on phone, I think some gap in your class. If I'm taking class online, I get more comfort.
Yes, actually, when we take classes online, so we can interact to each other.
Right.
So
In fact,
so students actually they feel the physical presence of teacher, and teacher feels the physical appearance or presence of student. So it looks like, of course, it is a virtual class, but still it gives you a feeling of a natural class, a traditional class.
right, right.
I think it is very effective. But when you talk or when you speak on phone, you don't feel interacted actually. And one more thing actually, when you take a call, you have to spend some money every day for that. What do you think? Hello, it is again stopped.
Hello.
Yes, yes.
But you don't.
Hello.
Are you hear me, sir?
Yes, now I
Are
can.
you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now. Yes.
But
But video,
okay.
video.
Wait. Now video.
Yeah, yeah, it's okay.
I think there is some problem with the internet connection. If I off the video, the net will start.
No, are you
Problem.
using Wi-Fi or what?
Actually, yeah, I'm using Wi-Fi. That's why there is some problem with the internet. But we have a pretty good connection in internet.
You should have wire actually with your
I,
that is
right. Generally, we are when we are connecting with clients, we generally take a audio call, not a video call. That's why we had never faced any problem. But sometimes it's very much clear. Your videos, it's like HD camera. Sometimes it's blurred.
because I have been using very good webcam. That
Okay.
that is and I don't have to use even mic and nothing. It is
Okay.
it is inbuilt. Even I go far away, still you will be able to listen to me.
It's very much clear. If you're going back, then there is no problem in a voice.
Yeah, that is actually the Logitech C 920E. That is the model, and
Okay.
yeah, it is very good camera, and the cost is I think 11 or more than 11,000. Hello.
Webcam.
Yeah.
This is for webcam.
Yeah.
Too expensive.
Yeah, this is actually the, you can say, this is the costliest webcam I got from internet. Means I don't get the superior than this. So that is the most superior camera webcam.
Now, how is the quality of my video?
Yeah, it's nice. It's nice, very nice. But
Because I'm taking calls from my.
but sometimes the quality is down or low because of internet. Otherwise,
Internet.
yeah, your
Right.
camera is also good. Which
Right.
which camera do you use?
I'm taking call through my MacBook Pro.
Okay, okay. Means that is inbuilt webcam you have.
Yeah, yeah, that in English. But the voice and everything is much good. Is very good.
Okay.
I need to ask one question, sir.
Yeah.
When we will discuss, when we talk with each other, I have basically I have I have lot of basically I have less question in my mind. How to start? What we have to ask? How to ask? Basically, I have less word in my mind. That's why I put less question.
So what do you want to ask?
I want to ask if is there any way which before talking I'm thinking that this
Okay,
basically
I just give you very simple tips today to
okay
speak. Just actually now power is cut off, so I just switch on my fan
okay
because you know this is India, so power cut is always there.
yeah
Okay, so I tell you that simple, very simple tips. First of all, you know, when you are going to speak something or when you think you have to speak something and you don't know how to start,
mm-hmm.
then you must use some of the phrases. Like suppose I ask you, or suppose you are going to talk to your client regarding that project, and you know how you are confused or you don't know how to start that conversation, and you should try to use some of the phrases like you must start by wishing that person like, hello sir, good morning, how are you? So
Mm-hmm.
actually when you start conversation like that, means hello Mr. Peter or whoever it may be, Mr. X or Mr. Sharma or whoever it may be. Hello
Mm-hmm.
Mr. Sharma, how are you? Then he's going to answer, I am very well, thank you, I am good, and you? So the time you have between, or the time which you have, you are going to have some time before he answers. So the time which you have, that time is sufficient for you to think what you should speak again. Are you getting my point?
Yeah, got your point.
Means when you ask him, hello sir, how are you? Now he is going to answer, I am very well, thank you, what about you? So you have got some time to think what to speak next, what to speak next,
Right.
right? So he is going to answer, yes sir, I am very well. Mr. Badwa, I am very well, thank you. What about you? Oh, I am very well. Okay, so let's talk about your project.
Mm-hmm.
Means try to speak simple and short sentences.
Okay.
Don't try to make long sentences. Even you have to talk a lot about his product. Suppose you have to tell him, you have to give him lot of information, but try to give that information in simple and short sentences. Don't make long.
Okay.
Means try to make simple and short sentences about your project or something. Like suppose I have to describe my house. I'm just giving you an example. Then I should say my house is a small house. It's not a big house. अब देखिए दो सेंटेंस बोले मैंने, but both the sentences are very short.
Mm-hmm.
आपने बोला, okay, Mr. Sharma, let's talk about your project. He is going to answer, yes, sure. Now you have to speak something. अब आपको क्या बोलना, just let me know. break it into small sentences. जैसे
Mm-hmm.
आपने कहा, like, जैसे suppose you tell me something, because I have no idea what to speak about project. क्या बोलना है, जैसे आप से कुछ पूछना है प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में.
Please share your details and ideas which you have for your products.
Yeah. तो आपने कहा actually yes, Mr. Sharma, let's talk about your project. Can you share me? Can you share me? Or please share me. Or can you share me? That's better. Can you share? Can you share some of the information with me? Can you share some of the information about your project with me? So he is going to answer, sir, I want that kind of video. Let him speak what he wants to, but you have to speak short and simple sentences.
Mm-hmm.
Suppose he has told you everything, and if you have any doubt or question, then you can ask him.
Mm-hmm.
Like आपने कहा, जैसे suppose you want to ask him something in between. So what type of questions you ask?
For to my client.
Yes.
I'm just. What is? Please tell me something about your project. What is your project? What it is, and what is the purpose for your, and who is the target clients which you are targeting for, and all this is just.
Yeah, simple. Means you should speak simple and short sentences.
Mm-hmm. Right.
That is the first step. Like suppose I have to speak about this chair. I should say it's a very nice chair. It's a very nice chair. It's very comfortable. It belongs to me. It belongs to me. It's a revolving chair. I like it very much.
Yeah.
I sit on this chair every day. The cost of this chair is this. So like this means make short sentences, simple sentences.
Right.
When you try to make long and big sentences, chances are there you may commit some mistakes.
Mm-hmm.
So let's start with the simple sentences, but when you are experienced, you can make big and long sentences, no problem.
Mm-hmm.
Right?
Right, got it. Basically, first we need to comfortable in basic conversation, so that uh, I talk to everyone, not in a business, basically personally, often personally, so that I can talk to anyone. If anyone, if you and my colleagues, in normal language. My second goal is to connect with the clients. If I'm comfortable in my personal talk, then definitely I will easily talk with my client also.
Okay. Now I tell you the same thing. Right? I'm going to repeat your sentences. Need to be comfortable. You should say, need to be comfortable.
To be comfortable, right?
First of all, I need to be comfortable in basic conversation. I need to be comfortable. So I may be able to talk to my clients. I'll be able to, or I may be able to talk to my colleagues. And if I am comfortable with that basic English, then I would like to go to the advanced level.
Right.
First, I need to be comfortable with basic conversation, which I am going to have with my colleagues, with my wife, with my friends every day. And once, if I feel I am comfortable with these basic conversations, I would like to go for advanced level where I can talk to my clients
Right.
like this. You should speak like that.
Right. Basically, I'm stuck with my sentences. Lot of words. I speak that word which I use generally more use if I
Again,
talking.
again, I tell you something. You know one thing very well. A child,
Mm-hmm.
a child starts speaking first.
Mm-hmm.
A child doesn't know writing, reading, but child know
Mm-hmm.
speaking.
Right.
A child can speak any language. Like if the child is born in a Punjabi family, the child starts speaking Punjabi.
Mm-hmm.
If the child is born in a Hindi speaking family, he starts speaking Hindi. And you notice one thing, the child doesn't know the words separately. Suppose a child needs some water to drink. Okay, then child never speaks like that. Mummy, मुझे पानी चाहिए. Child doesn't speak like that. Child speaks, Mummy, bhaiya. You understand?
Right. Right.
This is natural speaking.
Mm-hmm.
मम्मी मम्मी मुझे पानी चाहिए, because that child doesn't know words separately. मुझे पानी चाहिए, no, child doesn't know. Child knows, मम्मी मुझे पानी चाहिए. Means the complete sentence becomes a word for him.
Right.
Like suppose you never ask anyone in Hindi or Punjabi, श्रीमान जी क्या आप मेरे साथ चांदनी चौक तक चलना पसंद करेंगे? श्रीमान जी क्या आप मेरे साथ चांदनी चौक तक चलना पसंद करेंगे? यू नेवर स्पीक लाइक दैट. यू स्पीक, अरे यार चांदनी चौक चल लो. अरे चल लो क्या चांदनी चौक? यू सी शॉर्ट कितनी छोटी हो गई है. चल रहे हो क्या? चल रहे हो. चल रहे हो भी नहीं बोल रहे आप बोल रहे हो चांदनी चौक चल लो. चल लो क्या? अब देख कितना छोटा कर दिया आपने. और एक था, श्रीमान जी क्या आप मेरे साथ चांदनी चौक चलना पसंद करेंगे? ये रिटन स्टाइल है, स्पीकिंग नहीं है ये. स्पीकिंग है चांदनी चौक चल रहे हो, चल रहे ना यार. अब वो भी आंसर ऐसे नहीं देगा, हाँ बादवा जी मैं आपके साथ चांदनी चौक चलना पसंद करूंगा. Why I am telling you all these things? Because this is natural speaking. And natural speaking means when you speak something, your words should be connected with each other. ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि आपके सारे शब्द एक दूसरे से जुड़े हैं, अलग अलग नहीं है. जैसे मैंने कहा, I need suppose a glass of water. तब मैं किसी से बोलूंगा, एक्सक्यूज मी सर, मे आई हैव अ ग्लास ऑफ वाटर प्लीज. हेलो हेलो, आई
Yeah.
okay, so I mean I ask like may I have, May I have a glass of water, please? You see, all the words are connected with each other. You cannot speak like that. May, excuse me, may I have a glass of water, please? It's wrong. You know English, but you don't know how to speak. When you speak, the words should be connected with each other. ऐसा लगना चाहिए कि एकदम फ्लो में जा रहे हैं, सब एक दूसरे का हाथ पकड़े हुए निकल रहा है वर्ड्स.
राइट.
लाइक मैंने कहा, मिस्टर बाधवा, मिस्टर विजय बाधवा, व्हाट्स योर जॉब? अब देखो कितना धीरे बोला मैंने ये नहीं बोला व्हाट्स योर जॉब. ये फ्लुएंसी नहीं है. व्हाट्स योर जॉब? दिस इज नॉट फ्लुएंसी. मिस्टर बाधवा, व्हाट्स योर जॉब? ये फ्लुएंसी है.
राइट.
व्हाट्स योर जॉब? तो जुड़ा है वो सब. व्हाट्स, व्हाट इज, योर, जॉब, सब कनेक्टेड है. व्हाट्स योर जॉब? तो आपने कहना है जैसे व्हाट डू यू वांट टू स्पीक. जैसे आपने कहा I've got a company. I've got a company. I've got a company. I've got a company.
राइट.
अब इसको ऐसे नहीं बोलोगे आप. I have got a company. I've got a company. I've got a company.
I know that how to connect with the sentence. जैसे आपने बताया ना कि सेंटेंस को कनेक्ट करना है. I've got a company.
Means words connect.
प्रोनाउंसिएशन में प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Like that. Right? Am I right?
Yes, what did you say?
Basically, company.
Hello?
I have got a company.
Yes.
Yeah, like that. Basically, what's problem with me is कि the actually में जो sentence है, basically जो verb है, जो modals हैं, when we need to use that modals or verb, at that time वो miss हो जाता है. Basically समझ में नहीं आता कि which modals we need to use or not. Then we took which is most common for me, जो मेरे माइंड में फर्स्ट आ जाता है या फिर जो मुझको बहुत यूज्ड लगता है, मैं वो कनेक्ट करके बोल रही हूँ. आई थिंक वो इसलिए रीजन है क्योंकि बिकॉज दिस इज माय ओनली थर्ड क्लास. व्हेन वी टेक 30 क्लासेस देन डेफिनेटली we will use every modal or every verbs on exact the same exact right place.
So don't worry, we'll start models and everything from tomorrow. Next lesson, if you want to go through the grammar, I'll teach you practical grammar, not like means written style.
Yeah, I'm also not interested in proper.
So from tomorrow we'll have 10 to 15 minutes in the beginning for a grammar portion. So I'll give you some basic ideas of everything like conjunctions, correlatives, grammar, adjectives and all that I'll give you. So that we'll finish, don't worry.
Basically, I want to learn that, plus I want to use also want to use that in my conversation.
Yes,
not learning.
Yeah, we'll use them in our topics. I've got some of the topics related to each of the grammar portion, so we'll take them, don't worry. Okay, so we'll take them, means we'll take conversation or like topics based on these particular
okay. If you will discuss before that, what will you be teach in next class, so that I will also I have studied on that, so
Okay.
that we
So
don't need.
tomorrow I think we are going to learn. Do you? I think do you don't need to learn tense,
No, 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 no. I don't
but
need to learn tense.
yeah, but I would like to tell you some of the things which may be useful for you. I'll teach you some past perfect because sometimes the students they are confused about past perfect and
Okay,
past
okay.
indefinite.
No, no, I don't know. Had past perfect. It's like had
Yeah,
when we use.
but still, I will
Okay,
tell
okay,
you because this
okay.
is
No,
not only the head;
okay,
it
okay,
is something different. So I
okay,
just
okay.
want you to understand the basic difference.
Definitely, no
This is
issue.
not the basic difference that we use had and there we don't use. We use second form. No, I just want you to know the basic difference. What is past perfect? If it is very
Okay,
much set in your mind, you will never forget that. Oh, this is past perfect. This is past indefinite. That
okay.
I'll tell you. Okay. And
Definitely.
so I'll teach you past perfect and I'll teach you future continuous. This is also because
The
what
same.
I am, yeah. And you know one thing, what I am going to teach you about past perfect or future continuous, I am sure you will have never learned. I am
Okay,
sure about it. जो मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ वो आपने नहीं पढ़ा होगा.
okay,
About
okay.
all these things. So that I'll tell you past perfect, future continuous, and then I'll teach you some uses of make, get, and let, and of course keep. And they will take only 1 minute, so don't worry. One minute, because I'll teach you in very short, not
Okay,
very
okay.
detail. I'll give you just an idea. Like that when we use like make like hasana, rolana,
Right, right, right.
like so, like we say मैं तुमको हंसाता हूँ. How you speak? मैं तुमको हंसाता हूँ.
I make you. I make you
Laugh.
laugh.
या get means किसी से काम करवाते हम like मैं
Right, right,
अपनी
right.
गाड़ी रिपेयर करवाता हूँ. मैं अपनी
I,
कार
I, I get car. I get repaired my car.
I get my car repaired. तो
I
थोड़ा
get
सा
repaired my
I
car.
get my car repaired.
Repaired. Right.
Get then object ये जिसको
Right.
रिपेयर कर रहे हो then bus third form of verb. वो थोड़ा थोड़ा आइडिया दूंगा. ठीक है. तो ये we are going to learn these things from tomorrow in grammar and then we'll have some topics
Okay.
and discussion also.
ठीक है. Done. Definitely.
Okay, we'll do that.
Basically, if I get a lot of knowledge like these words and the which you had talk about, then definitely my conversation will be more strong.
Definitely you'll have, don't worry, you'll have. I am going to teach you all these things, practical things.
Okay.
Okay, so today that was your third lesson.
Right.
So I am going to attach June.
Yeah. It's a new month.
Yeah, with
This is
your
my this is my second month.
yeah, yeah, second month, but I have attached it
Yeah.
with this. Okay, so see you again tomorrow,
Sure.
same time.
Yeah, same time.
Okay. Okay, see you again, and you may go through these past perfect, future, and make, get, let. We will study that in grammar for 15 minutes.
Okay.
Okay, so see you
Okay.
tomorrow.
Yeah.
Have a nice
Thank
day.
you.
Have a nice day. Thank you.
Thank you.